How to use Slack. Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you just joined a new company or team that uses Slack, it can feel a bit overwhelming with all the channels, pings, and messages flying around. Today, I'm going to walk you through the core basics of Slack so you can navigate the app and communicate like a pro. So first, let's understand the layouts. So look over at the far left sidebar. So the big icon at the top represents your workspace, which is this one right here. If you have multiple, you will have different ones. This is your overall company or organization hub. Right next to it, you will see channels, which are these right here. These are topic-based chat rooms marked with a hashtag symbol. So channels can be public for the whole team or private with a small logo icon. And further down, we have private messages, which are also called direct messages or DMs. You can use these for private one-on-one conversations or quick private group chats when you don't need to post publicly. So also when you are inside a channel, you can type your message into the text box at the bottom. So you go here, and this is your message box. You can just type, for example, hey all, and send with answer. Also guys, you can type your message. There's a most important rule in Slack: always use threads. So instead of typing a brand new message in the main channel to respond to someone, you can hover over their post and click the speech bubble icon to reply to a thread. Right here, reply in thread. And in here you send your reply. Also guys, this keeps conversations organized without cluttering the main room. You can also hover over any message and choose reactions. See more emoji, and for example send, say, laughing emoji. There you go, and you can see it right here, and you will also see who reacted with which kind of reaction. Then guys, to manage your availability, click your profile picture in the corner right over here. This will bring up this menu, and you can tap set a status, or just click on set yourself as away if you're away from the keyboard. And this will temporarily mute all incoming pings so you aren't constantly distracted. And that's all there is to it. Pretty simple to use the Slack. If this guide helps you out guys to start off, make sure to subscribe.